Hi guys, it's Dr. Michaela from Active Life Chiropractic. Today we're going to be working on exercises to help your baby roll from their back to their tummy. So if you're interested in exercises for rolling from tummy to back, I have some other videos on that, but today we're going to be focusing on back to tummy. So we're going to be starting with baby on their back. In order for baby to roll from back to tummy, they're going to have to shift their weight from one leg over the other, just like this. So that's going to be the first exercise that we start, is crossing one leg over the other. Now I want you to do this on both sides, and their bum will reach up a little bit with this, and likely their body will stay in this position. That's okay because that gets a good deep stretch to baby's glutes, baby's low back and pelvis in order to initiate that rolling movement. Another thing that I see with babies that have a hard time shifting their weight here is they will hold this arm pretty flat against the opposite side. So they can get their lower body to rotate, but not their upper body. So if that's the case and they get stuck in this position, I want you to practice helping baby reach across, whether that's you moving the arm yourself or you holding baby like this and using a toy for baby to start grabbing at so they can initiate that full rolling movement. So we could do that to both sides. So if we're going over baby's left side, we need to move the opposite leg. So if we're rolling over baby's left side, we need to move baby's right leg and right arm so that we get that full rolling motion. Another thing that's super helpful here is a lot of times babies will get stuck with their arm above their head. You want to make sure that this arm is fully down and can rotate out over the top. If baby's arm gets stuck down here, they're not going to be able to fully commit to the roll. So making sure that baby's arm is up here so that they can transition up onto their elbows. The very last exercise we're going to do for helping baby roll from back to belly is we're going to call these egg rockers. So if you think of an egg that has its arms and legs in, we're just going to rock back and forth. You can do this with the legs, initiating that movement of baby rolling to either side. And I want the knees together and us just to rock baby back and forth. So you can practice these exercises for about 5 to 10 minutes a day, down on the ground with them. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below or give our office a call today.